Thank you for joining us in this Mozy tutorial on installing Mozy Sync. To get started, go to mozy.com, click Products, and then click File Sync. When this page is loaded, scroll down. When you get to Activate Mozy Sync, click Download Mozy Sync for your Mozy Home account. On this page, you can choose whether to install on Windows or Mac. Simply click Download for Windows. Then click Run. After viewing the End User License Agreement, click Accept. Make sure it is installed on the path you want, click Next, and then click Install. After the installation is complete, click Finish. Enter your Mozy credentials, which is your email address and password, and then click Link Computer. After everything is verified, click Sync Now. Thank you for joining us in this Mozy tutorial. For quick tips or questions, you can find us on Twitter @MozySupport.